Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. Today we got my man VTm in the building. And this guy is being super generous and he's giving away some free watch faces. All you simply got to do is comment in the comment section down below for an opportunity to win. With that being said, let's kick off this review. All right, you all, let's check out this awesome watch face. Now, this watch face is a super dress-up casual watch face that I think you can get away with dressing up to a degree depending on the color and what kind of casual wear that you're going to have on for that day. Now, the name of the watch face is called VTm Slash. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the same look, the same design, but once the watch face is on, this is definitely a good look. I like the big bold digital time. I like the design of the digital time and the font as well. Really makes the watch face stand out. Up at the top, you will get the day of the week. You will get your date. You come over to the right, you're going to get your battery info, AM stamp, animated seconds. You come down, you will get your step info, and slightly over to the left at the bottom, you're going to get animated heart rate and your heart rate information. This is nice from VTm. I thought he did a really good job with the look and the design of this big bold digital time. Now let's go in and check out the features and functions and what this watch face has to offer. First off, if I tap on the date, I can pull up my calendar, of course set an event. If I do a single tap right here, I can go in and set a favorite of my choice, which is cool, makes the watch face just that much more convenient. If I tap right here, I can go in and set an alarm. Now if I come down to the bottom, on my steps, I can go in and get my sleep, floors climb, calories burned, step information, things of that nature. And if I single tap right on the logo, I can set another favorite. So you get a couple of places to do that to make the watch face just that much more convenient, which I thought was cool. And you can customize the color theme of the watch face, right? I'm going to double tap anywhere. It's going to change the top part of the watch face, and you get many, and I do stress many different colors and designs. Well, designs too as well. We're going to let you see those in a second, so be patient with me with this watch face. All right, we're going to tap through a couple of more, kind of lighten it up a little bit. These are dark color themes. Now down at the bottom, to change that one, tap right here and you can change the bottom half. Now we're going to cycle through more just so you can see some of the other themes within this watch face that you're going to be in for once you download it, which I thought was super awesome. There you go, right here. Nice. Camouflage. What do you think, people? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.